Learn English to Gujarati. To let in.
છોડવું.
With funny past forms. Welcome to Let It Go, Gujarati style. Hey, you are about to learn a very useful English verb in Gujarati, and yes, we will make it weird enough to remember. If a balloon, a goat, and a grammar book walk into one chapter, you stay calm and keep learning. Today's star is the English verb, to let. In Gujarati, one key word is
છોડવું.
Think of opening your hand, releasing stress, and not arguing with a flying balloon. That feeling is
છોડવું.
We will also learn these forms. I let is.
મેં જવા દીધું.
You let is.
તું છોડ્યું.
He let is.
તેણે જવા દીધું.
We let is.
અમે કરવા દીધું.
And they let can be expressed in Gujarati context as
તેઓએ જવા દીધું.
You will even meet a bonus phrase.
તમે વાંચો છો.
Meaning you all read, because apparently our comedy world also has a book club. Your first superpower. Let's lock in the base word first. If you remember one thing, make it the feeling of release. Say it with me. To let equals
છોડવું.
Please let me go. In Gujarati, Kirpa Kareen Main.
છોડવું.
Do. They let the bird fly away. In Gujarati, Teo Paksin Udi Java.
છોડવું.
Deche. Sometimes it is better to let things be. In Gujarati, Kiareka Vastuone Tima Ya Raheva.
છોડવું.
Saram Hoya Che. Funny memory trick. Imagine a stubborn banana in your hand. It refuses to leave. You shout.
છોડવું.
And the banana finally rolls away like a dramatic actor. A tiny story with big drama. Now you learn through a mini story. Your job is easy. Notice every form of let and enjoy the chaos. A child held a kite too tightly at the Sabarmati riverbank. Her mother whispered.
છોડવું.
The girl nodded and said.
મેં જવા દીધું.
Because she let the kite rise. Her friend pointed and laughed. Yesterday.
તું છોડ્યું.
The balloon too, and it hit uncle on the head. Nearby, a boy opened a cage and
તેણે જવા દીધું.
a small bird fly into the sky. The whole family smiled and said,
અમે કરવા દીધું.
because sometimes we let joy happen. Then a group under a tree opened their books. Yes, even in this emotional kite movie.
તમે વાંચો છો.
Everyone reads. The goat does not read. The goat only eats the bookmark. Forms you can actually use. Here comes the practical part. You hear the English, then the Gujarati chunk you can reuse. To let equals
છોડવું.
I let equals.
મેં જવા દીધું.
Example. I let the bird fly away.
મેં પક્ષીને ઉડી જવા દીધું.
You let equals.
તું છોડ્યું.
Example idea. You let the chance pass.
તું છોડ્યું.
Taka pasara tava. He let equals.
તેણે જવા દીધું.
Example. He let me speak.
તેણે મને બોલવા દીધું.
She let equals.
તેણીએ જવા દીધું.
Example. She let the children play outside.
તેણીએ બાળકોને બહાર રમવા દીધા.
It let equals.
તેને રહેવા દીધું.
In a context like, it let something remain. We let equals.
અમે કરવા દીધું.
Example. We let him speak first.
અમે તેને પહેલા બોલવા દીધું.
You all read equals.
તમે વાંચો છો.
Bonus, but useful. Example. In class, you all read together.
વર્ગમાં તમે સાથે વાંચો છો.
They let equals.
તેઓએ જવા દીધું.
Example. They let him speak first.
તેઓએ તેને પહેલા બોલવા દીધું.
Memory tricks that stick like mango jam. You do not need boring drills only. You also need strange images your brain refuses to delete. 4.
છોડવું.
Imagine opening your fist and releasing a balloon labeled stress. 4.
મેં જવા દીધું.
Imagine saying, I let it go, while a cloud escapes your hand. 4.
તું છોડ્યું.
Picture your friend sneezing and accidentally releasing a party balloon. Oops, you let it go. 4.
તેણે જવા દીધું.
Picture a hero choosing mercy and letting the bird fly away. 4.
અમે કરવા દીધું.
Imagine a whole family stepping aside to let a cat enter like royalty. 4.
તમે વાંચો છો.
Picture a classroom of readers so focused that even the ceiling fan seems to whisper.
તમે વાંચો છો.
Mini dialogue circus. Listen to these short dialogues and repeat the Gujarati parts aloud. Yes, even if your cat judges your pronunciation. A. Should I keep holding the kite? B. No.
છોડવું.
A. Did you stop him? B. No.
મેં જવા દીધું.
A. Did you release it? B. Yes.
તું છોડ્યું.
A. Why is the dog outside? B. I think.
તેણે જવા દીધું.
A. Did you stop the children? B. No.
અમે કરવા દીધું.
Teacher. What are all of you doing? Students.
તમે વાંચો છો.
A. Why did they enter? B.
તેઓએ જવા દીધું.
Quick recall challenge. Now you test yourself. I ask, you answer before I do. Be brave. Wrong answers are just future correct answers wearing fake mustaches. What is the Gujarati word for to let?
છોડવું.
How do you say, I let?
મેં જવા દીધું.
How do you say, you let?
તું છોડ્યું.
How do you say, he let?
તેણે જવા દીધું.
How do you say, we let?
અમે કરવા દીધું.
How do you say, you all read?
તમે વાંચો છો.
Translate this idea. Let the bird go. One possible Gujarati phrasing is
પક્ષીને છોડવું દો.
culture, context, and not letting grammar panic win. A quick note before the grand finale. Language is alive, so context matters, and you are doing great. In Gujarati, the idea of let can appear with
છોડવું.
for release or with patterns using
દીધું.
to express allowing in a past context. So when you hear
મેં જવા દીધું. તેણે જવા દીધું.
or
અમે કરવા દીધું.
think of someone allowing an action to happen. And when you hear
તમે વાંચો છો.
remember this is present tense and often works for you plural or polite you. Translation is not always one word equals one word. Sometimes grammar is more like cooking, same potato, different curry. Friendly conclusion. You made it, and no goats stole your grammar. That is real progress. Today you practiced to let as
છોડવું.
plus useful forms like
મેં જવા દીધું. તું છોડ્યું. તેણે જવા દીધું. અમે કરવા દીધું.
and the bonus.
તમે વાંચો છો.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the funny images, and use these phrases in short sentences until they feel natural. You are doing great, so come back, practice again, and let your Gujarati grow.